Meaning of Edgbaston.
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 Edgbaston. Edgbaston is a suburb and administrative district of the city of Birmingham, England. The name Edgbaston derives from an Old English phrase meaning the place of the people of Eckbright. In modern times, it is renowned for being the location of the Edgbaston Cricket Ground, one of England's leading cricket stadiums. Edgbaston was historically a residential area for wealthy families, with many large Victorian and Edwardian houses still standing today. It has also been home to several notable residents, including Prime Minister Neville Chamberlain and author J.R.R. Tolkien.